Welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling superbikes on the market, the Aprilia RSV4. This bike is built for speed, precision, and pure adrenaline. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, stick around because this review will cover everything you need to know about the RSV4, from its origins to its standout features. The Aprilia RSV4 is a high-performance sport bike designed for racing and street use. First introduced in 2008, it was created to compete in the Superbike World Championship, showcasing Aprilia's cutting-edge engineering and MotoGP technology. Over the years, it has evolved with advanced aerodynamics, powerful engines, and high-end electronics, making it one of the most sought-after bikes for speed enthusiasts. Aprilia, an Italian brand, has a strong global presence, but the RSV4 sees the most demand in Europe, particularly in Italy, Spain, and the UK. It's also gaining traction in the United States and parts of Asia, where motorcycle racing culture is thriving. In these countries, it's a favorite among track riders and those who crave high-speed performance on the streets. The RSV4 is widely regarded as one of the best superbikes ever made. It has a loyal following among professional riders and motorcycle enthusiasts. Its popularity is fueled by its impressive racing heritage, aggressive styling, and advanced technology that makes it a top choice for riders looking for a high-performance machine. The bike continues to be a staple in superbike competitions, further solidifying its reputation. At the heart of the Aprilia RSV4 is a powerful 1,100 cubic centimeters V4 engine that delivers a breathtaking 217 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. The bike features a sophisticated electronic suite, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and an advanced quickshifter for seamless gear changes. Its aluminum frame ensures a perfect balance of rigidity and agility, making it one of the best-handling superbikes available. Despite its massive power, the RSV4 offers reasonable fuel efficiency for a superbike. Riders can expect around 15 to 18 km per liter, depending on riding conditions. While it's not built for fuel economy, it balances performance and efficiency well compared to some other high-powered superbikes. The RSV4 is packed with premium features, including a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, Brembo braking system, and an advanced suspension setup for superior ride quality. Its aerodynamics have been enhanced with winglets, improving stability at high speeds. These features make it one of the most technologically advanced bikes in its class. In terms of pricing, the Aprilia RSV4 comes at a premium, with a starting price of around $25,000. Given its performance, cutting-edge features, and racing pedigree, it is well worth the investment for riders seeking a top-tier superbike experience. The Aprilia RSV4 stands out in the market due to its MotoGP-inspired design, high-revving V4 engine, and razor-sharp handling. Its ability to deliver track-level performance on the road makes it a dream bike for many enthusiasts. Whether you're a racer or a passionate rider, the RSV4 offers an unbeatable combination of speed, technology, and style. If you're looking for a superbike that delivers on all fronts, the RSV4 is undoubtedly a top contender.